Out of adversity comes opportunity. When things do not go our way, remember that every challenge, every adversity contains within it the seeds of opportunity and growth. We can't be brave if we have only had wonderful things happen to us. Challenge and adversity is meant to help us know who we are. Good morning, one and all. I, Javeria, and my friend Kriti of class 10th B are the hosts for the today's assembly. When we chant mantras, our mind releases positive energy that decreases negative thoughts or stress. So, I would like to call upon Vagisha for the shlok.
Please join your hands and close your eyes. तस्मात् प्रणम्य प्रणिधाय कायं प्रसादयित्वा महमीशमीड्यं पितेव पुत्रस्य सखेव सख्युः प्रियः प्रियायार्हसि देव सोढुम्. Meaning, O Lord, deeply bowing before you, I implore you for your grace. Just as a father forgives the son, a friend forgives his friend, and a lover forgives his lover, please forgive me as well.
Now we have Navya with us for the morning prayer.
Please join your hands and close your eyes. Father, bless me with the wonderful power of forgiveness. Give me the grace to unconditionally forgive those who have done me wrong. Give me the strength to let go of all ill will, the strength to forgive myself of my own failings and sins, knowing that you have already forgiven me. Free me of all anger, bitterness, hate, and unforgiveness. Thanks be to God.
Now I would like to request all of you to observe a minute's silence for everyone's well-being. Thank you. I would like Ridhima to continue with the thought of the day.
Adversity is an opportunity for creativity because it forces one to dig deeper and discover something new about oneself.
The most challenging times in our life are the greatest opportunities for us to learn something new and grow as better individuals. It stimulates our desire for something better. So here we have our friend Bhavya with us to share a short story.
Good morning, everyone. Pursue your goals even in the face of difficulties and convert adversities into opportunities. Malathi Krishnamurthy Hola, this international parathlete from Bangalore, was completely paralyzed at the tender age, one after a high fever. A regular electric shock treatment for 2 years got the strength of her upper body back, but below the waist, her body remained weak. Hola decided to live life in the best way possible and chose sports to excel in. She decided to participate in various games at college, and today she has taken part in various international events, including the Paralympics. She won gold in 200-meter, shot put, discus, and javelin throw at the 1989 World's Masters Games in Denmark. She has over 300 medals in her kitty and is also the proud recipient of the Arjuna Award and Padma Shri. She runs the Matru Foundation to help disabled children from rural India. Thank you.
Poetry is a spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. It takes its origin from emotions recollected in tranquility. And it also triggers our emotions, strengthens our brain, and gives us space for self-reflection. Now I would like to call upon Devaditya for a self-composed poem.
A very good morning to one and all. My name is Devaditya and I am from class 10B. Today, I would like to share with you all my Hindi self-composed poem, the topic of which is असंभव स्वप्न देख कर तो देखो. असंभव स्वप्न देख कर तो देखो, पर्वतों का समूह हिल जाएगा. अपने आप पर भरोसा कर तो देखो, सफलता का हर शिखर झुक जाएगा. तीर तो दुर्बल हुए थे अर्जुन के कई बार भी, फिर भी नेत्र टिकते थे उनके हर पल लक्ष्य पर. चिड़िया की आंख भेद सिंह होने का परिचय दिया कौंडिन्य ने. सर्वश्रेष्ठ योद्धा बन गिराया हर वीर के अभिमान को धरती पर. पार्थ की तरह निश्चय करके तो देखो, सर्वश्रेष्ठ बनने का हर पथ दिख जाएगा. असंभव स्वप्न देख कर तो देखो, समस्याओं का हर ठोस दुर्ग गिर जाएगा. दुर्बलता का रंग अपने आप से हटा के तो देखो, अच्छे अच्छों का तुम्हारे प्रति स्वर बदल जाएगा. एक बार और बल लगा के तो देखो, पत्थर भी पानी बन जाएगा. ऐशो आराम की दरी दूर हटा कर तो देखो, श्रम से तप लहू स्वर्ण बन जाएगा, नीच होने का भाव मन से निकाल के तो देखो, संसार को एक और कर्ण मिल जाएगा। दृष्टि धरा से उठा के तो देखो, आत्मसम्मान क्षितिज छू जाएगा, सितमगरों से नजरें मिला के तो देखो, उनका अस्तित्व झुक जाएगा। असंभव स्वप्न देख कर तो देखो, वह अवश्य साकार हो जाएगा। थैंक यू।
Here comes Mitash for an English poem.
Good morning, everybody. This is Mitansh Rai, and I am from class 10th B. Now, I am here to recite a poem on Don't Quit. When times are hard, you might stop for a bit, but it's not over until the moment you quit. On a river's bridge, failures are the planks. Take one step at a time until you reach its banks. Don't give up on your dreams, chase them instead. Then you will find one morning as you wake up from bed that you are the person about whom you dreamed, and you can reach great heights, impossible though it seemed. When things go wrong and your back is to the wall, try to stand up, no more can you fall. Life is full of ups and downs. Take them in your stride. You will discover a little star hidden inside. Opportunities are like a game in our life. One will go, another will arise. Winning and losing is must, but never break your own trust. Thank you.
Whatever the problems may be, however tough the problems are, you might have failed today, but don't forget that we all are God's children. And just smile because tomorrow will come. So now I would like to invite Akshat for a song.
टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया, लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया। हो टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया, लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया। गिरता हुआ वो आसमां से आकर गिरा जमीन पर, ख्वाबों में फिर भी बादल ही थे वो कहता रहा मगर के अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। ओ खोकर अपने पर ही तो उसने था उड़ना सीखा, खोकर अपने पर ही तो, खोकर अपने पर ही तो उसने था उड़ना सीखा। हमको अपने साथ में ले ले, दर्द भी तेरे साथ आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा। अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, अल्लाह के बंदे, अल्लाह के बंदे हंस दे, जो भी हो कल फिर आएगा।
Dream written down with a date becomes a goal. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. A plan backed by actions makes your dream come true. This is what a teacher teaches each and every igniting young soul like us. So now I would like to hand over to Deepti ma'am.
Thank you, Kriti. Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I will be telling you few ways to turn adversity into an opportunity. Number one, embrace it. When life knocks you down hard, find the root cause, own it and lean it. Number two, practice self-compassion. We often fail to show empathy for ourselves when we are in distress. So be more self-compassionate, as this will improve your emotional well-being and give you the confidence to rise up and keep moving forward. Number three, master your emotions. If you don't master your emotions are going to master you. Being self-aware and naming your emotions are impactful ways to give your feelings less power. Number four, make humor your ally. As in the face of adversity, going through life with a positive attitude helps you become more flexible in your thinking. Number five, engage in wellness activities like meditation, yoga, sports, and healthy eating, etc., as this will reduce stress and prepare you to face failures. Number 6, be grateful. Use this as an opportunity to grow and gain new perspective. Showing gratitude for your struggles diffuses their impact and transforms the mind. Number 7, develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, see efforts as the path to perfection, and learn from feedback. Number 8, reflect and move on. Reflection is done with intent. It has a purpose. Move on with conviction. I would like to sum up by saying hard times present you with the chance to change course and reinvent yourself. But do not forget to wrap yourself in the cloak of calmness, as it is the best protection against adversity. Thank you.
So we should remain positive in face of adversity and allow challenges to become a catalyst that sparks new opportunities in your life. Next is Mitansh for Lashlo.
Please join your hands and close your eyes. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarakamiva Bandhanat Mrityormokshiyamamritat. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnasya Purnamudakshate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
To conclude, I would request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to motivate us with her encouraging words.
Good morning, teachers and children. And thank you so much, Roli ma'am and the children, for choosing such a relevant topic. Yes, it's a fact that this pandemic has a lot of dark sides. But then, and one of them being a huge stressor, shaking up our psyche, triggering our fears and uncertainties. No matter how serious and sad all of this, there are upsides as well. So I'm glad you've chosen the topic and you're looking at the opportunities that it has thrown to you. So if we really look at it, it has taught us to rearrange how we spend our time. We know that we are not able to connect with each other socially, but it has given us the opportunity to rethink about how we connect with each other, because that is also very essential in the present times. So we do not connect with each other through parties, by going to each other's house to celebrate occasions, but we connect with each other to ease each other. You see how many help groups are there providing relief to people who they don't even know, whether it is providing food, they found a way, whether it is giving medical aid, providing medicines. So many help groups among students have also been formed to do this. So just see the opportunity they recreated for themselves to bond socially. Now, all along, you know that you've been driven by the school bell, by the alarm clock in the morning, and then by your mother's or parents' call to wake up, and then in the school by the periods. They have guided your life so long. But this pandemic, while you're sitting at home, it has taught you to self discipline yourself. There is no teacher to tell you that you must join your class. That is entirely your call. So it has given you the opportunity to rethink about yourself, not be driven by others, but think about what your aim in life is, where you should take your life, and whether others can drive you into that aim or you have to be self. You're all aware that those children who grab this opportunity to drive themselves, they are at the moment the happiest. Now, besides this, you look at the environment. It has made us understand that we did not have so far an inclusive approach to anything. We were doing things for ourselves, and in the process, on one side, we were harming the environment, and on the other, help groups were being created to look at the environment. But the number of help groups was small. So, this pandemic has given us the opportunity to reflect upon what we were doing, what kind of approach we had, and how much control do we have over everything. You've heard so much about karmanevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. But you know, very often people, children in my own school ask me, how is this possible, ma'am, to not think about the fruit of action? Children studied the entire year for grade 12 and grade 10 to make a mark this year as well as last year when it came to merit list and the marks they would got. But now what is left? They're left to what they were actually doing in school. So we go back to perfecting our actions, because the result is not in our hand. The pandemic, more than anything else, has taught us to actually think about this wisdom that has been given to us in the Gita. Plan your action, perfect your action, and then offer it to Him without thinking about the result. So long it has been first look at the result and then plan accordingly. So we have changed our course, we have to change our direction because we have understood that we are a very, very tiny speck in this country, which is again a very small fragment of the planet Earth, which again is a very, very small fragment of the entire universe that has been. So, have a good day, children. Thank you so much for putting up such a good assembly and for that beautiful song. You really sing so well.